Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are here at Newton Abbot. I'm here for the Northern Belle on its return journey up to Cardiff Central from Par. That'll be in a separate video. I've also recorded 2 videos at Dawlish today as well, so if you want to watch those can just have a look at my channel. They should be just before these. Yes, I'm here to just do a little bit of train spotting here at Newton Abbot. So there's a Great Western Railway service to London Paddington, and I'll see you when this one departs. Okay, departing now is a Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from Penzance. To London Paddington, named as the Royal Duchy on the announcement. It's also been nice to see something like the Devon Express or something, and the Torbay Express being announced. It's really weird. I don't know why they're doing that. I think it's like some sort of special dinner they do on there, or lunch or whatever. There's some special food you can get in first class, so just call it that. So, yeah.
9 coaches. Please note that this train will additionally has vertical chat today.
See that one went departs. That's a cross-country service to Edinburgh. I think also arriving should be a Great Western Railway service to Paignton, but I'll see when that comes in. Okay, arriving now. Great Western Railway service to Paignton from Exmouth. On 2 Class 150s. Probably won't see that one depart. I think that's a bit too far away to get a good view of it departing. But yeah, we'll see this cross-country service depart then. Okay, depart now. Cross-country service to Edinburgh. And also arriving is a cross-country service from Edinburgh to Plymouth. phone's decided to have a seizure. Yes. See, and also there's that Great Railway Service departing as well. Well, see that one when it departs though. I don't guess. Okay, departing now is cross-country service to Plymouth from Edinburgh. Shit, it's been waiting there for quite a while, so it's finally a little bit late by now. And also there's Great Railway Service to Exeter from Payton now. Starting platform 2.
May I have your attention, please? Please note, to ensure a timely departure, train doors will be locked shut up to 40 seconds before departure. Thank you.
Really getting hot out here now. Also departing. Just over there is Western Railway Service to Paignton from Exeter. No, it's from Exeter. From Paignton to Exeter. And 66214. On its way up to it. And there's a Great Railway Service to... Oh, my phone's having another seizure. Yeah, that's the Great Railway Service to Paignton from Exeter. There you go. My phone decided to have another seizure just then, so... There we go, it's out of it now, right? Yeah. So Great Railway Service to Paignton from Exeter. And then arriving now. Great Railway Service to Cardiff Central via Bristol Temple Meads from Penzance, Plymouth. So there's two of those running today. One to from Penzance, one from Plymouth. See this one when it departs. Okay, departing now. Great Railway Service to Cardiff Central from Penzance, I think. Not too sure. I don't know what's with these names that they've given these trains, like lost services. Like we've got the Mayflower now. When I guarantee you, Mayflower, it's not Mayflower the steam engine. It's just going to be an IT. So, but yeah, I don't understand why they're doing these names. It's really weird, to be honest. But yeah, I'll see that one when it comes in. So it'll come in a second. You guys heard that, didn't you? Calling it the Mayflower. It seems pretty normal to me. I don't know what's so special about it though. It's probably something to do with first class. Alright, we'll see this one when it departs. Passing through now is DB Rail Freight. Passing through with some pace though. On the service up to Exeter Riverside. I came through really early. And also departing now. Great Railway service to Plymouth from London Paddington. Good to her now. Having another seizure. There we go. Western Railway service to Paynton. No, to Exmouth from Paynton. Nice trains out there. Out of there from 158 771 as it goes out to Exmouth. There's a Great Railway service to Penzance from Cardiff Central. See that one when it departs. Okay, departing now is Great Railway service to Penzance from Cardiff Central. And there's Great Railway service to London Paddington from Penzance, I think. See when this one departs. Right, departing now. It's a Great Railway service to London Paddington from Penzance, I think. It'll say on screen anyway, so. Here I've announced Gretton Railway service to Paynton from Exmouth. Oh, no, no. There's Gretton Railway service to Paynton from Exmouth, 1605. I've announced cross-country service to Leeds from Plymouth. You'll see this one when it departs. Okay, depart now, so cross-country service from Plymouth to Leeds. 220 004 on the front, with something else on the rear. Another seizure coming on here. There it is. Alright. Well, it's gone now anyway, so. Alright. See you for the next train. Arriving now, it's cross-country service to Plymouth. Cross-country pride train. See that one when it departs. And also departing over here is Gretton Railway service to Exmouth from Paynton. And then with that train, I'm going to end the video here. If you want to see the rest of the trains, including the Midland Pullman Northern Belle, head over to that video, which started at Dawlish this morning. and he's going to finish here today. So I don't think I'm going to get back to painting in time for the Midland Pullman. So I think I'll see them both here. But yeah, hope you enjoyed today's video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and follow my socials in the description for upcoming small clips from these videos. Right, thanks for watching and goodbye.